Hello, kindergarten students from Eston and Jefferson and Memorial Park. This is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be here with you again to talk about addition and especially subtraction. All right, so last time we were talking about subtraction is different from addition. So we know that addition is when you have two things, right? Two groups or two parts, and they come together to make a new total, okay? So subtraction is like the inverse of that, which means that we start with a total and we separate them, kind of like peekaboo, or we just take some away. So what we did last time, and we're going to continue with today, is taking it away. So for example, last time we talked about you might have some apples and you eat one or two. You might have some bananas and you eat one, or some crackers, you're eating a snack. You could count the number of crackers you have, eat some, and then see how many you have left. These are all examples of subtraction, and you can do this at home. You could do it with toys, like I did with the Legos. You could do it with food. You could do it with some coins, like we did with the pennies. So there's a new way that you can think of. Today, as you can see, we're going to do it with some flowers. If you have this sheet and you haven't already done so, go ahead and color it in. Okay, so you just need some crayons and some scissors, right? If you don't have this sheet, you can just maybe color in 5 little flowers and cut them out, and go ahead and do that, and we will continue today's lesson. Okay, so I went ahead and cut out my flowers. So let's say we put some flowers in our field, and let's say that we have, let's just get this going. Oh, there's me with my kids. Let's say that we have a blue flower and a red flower in the field and a pink flower. So we have 3 flowers that we're using right now. 1, 2, 3. And let's say a rabbit comes along and eats one. Hum, nom, nom. Eats the pink one. Oh no, it's gone. How many flowers do we have left? We have 2 flowers left. 1, 2. So 3 flowers. Take away 1 flower gives us 2 flowers. Well, let's say that in another garden, let's call this Marissa's garden. She has 4 flowers. She has a blue flower, red flower, purple flower, and a pink flower. So that's 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say a rabbit comes along and eats the pink flower again, and the purple flower. So the rabbit ate 2 flowers this time. 2 flowers. That rabbit's getting bigger and hungrier. And there are 2 flowers left. So we started, our total was 4 flowers. We took away 2 flowers. And we are left with 2. So 4, take away 2 of those, leaves you with 2. So 4 minus 2, or 4 subtract 2, is 2. Let's try another one. Let's say this is Bob's garden. Bob's got 5 flowers. I actually have a friend named Bob, and he's a gardener, so this makes sense. So we've got 5 flowers. We've got a pink flower, red, a yellow, a blue, and a purple flower. So we have 5 flowers. Let's check. Want to count? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say that a rabbit comes along and eats 3 flowers. This rabbit's even bigger. So the rabbit eats the purple flower, yum, 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 yum. And the rabbit eats the pink flower, yum, 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 yum. And the rabbit eats the yellow flower, yum, 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 yum. How many flowers are left? 2 flowers. So we had 5 flowers. We took away 3 flowers, and we were left with 1, 2, 3. 5 take away 3 gives us 2. Or we could say 5 subtract 3 is the same as 2. All right, let's do one more together, and then you can practice this at home if you would like. That would be fun. So let's say this time we have Sarah's garden, and again she has 5 flowers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time a little baby rabbit comes over and eats 1 flower. So 5 take away 1 is what? Look at it. If you said 4, you're correct. If you did not say 4, that's okay because you're learning and your brain is growing. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. We still have 4 flowers. So we started with 5. 5 take away 1 is equal to 4. Get my hand in the right place there. 4. What if another little bunny, so we have 4, right? What if another bunny came over and ate another one? Now we have 3. So we had 4, we took away 1 more, and 4 take away 1 leaves us with 3. Okay? And this time a big bunny came over and ate all 3 of them. Num, 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 num. And now there's 0. Oh no, all the flowers are gone. Poor Sarah. That's okay, we're just pretending. So 3 take away or subtract 3 gives us 0, gives us no flowers. All right, we will continue to learn about subtraction. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you are having a good day. I know you miss your friends and your teachers. They miss you very much as well. Remember, it's very important to be safe and be kind to your family. All right, take care. Talk to you soon.